Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do cat tutorial makeup for Halloween, for anything in general if you just feel like being a cat one day. Well, here is something you guys can use for Halloween. And it's with just regular pencil eyeliner by Aziz. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Aziz or something like that. So yeah, it's just pointy. This is new, by the way. It comes in a 2-pack. Just got it in the dollar store. That's where I got it from. I'm not trying to go all out for my makeup. I'm just improvising. So what I'm going to do is my nose first, and then I'll kind of lead you on with it, and then we'll just go on from there. So you're going to just draw a straight line on your like the ball of your nose. Go a little bit above that, and just draw a straight line. To make the process go faster, you take out one of these light bulbs. To make it go faster, just use the side of it and just go like this. You can darken it, make it lighter. You guys see that? There. And then you're going to just go down to the ball of your nose. And down. If you don't like that nose, like I don't really like the thing I just did. And then you're just going to like outline the outline up here. Just to make sure you guys see that. I'm not liking this nose too much. That's my dad, by the way. And then you just fill it in. See, that's my mom. You just keep filling in your nose. And there's your nose. Super easy and cool, right? Then I'm going to do the dots. I'm just going to do 4 on this side and this side. So you're just going to use this. You're going to kind of want to do it in like an untouching type of box. See? And there you go. It's super cute. And then, depending on where you put the little dot, you're going to take that dot, you're going to go a little bit in, you're going to draw up, well, as long as you want. You're going to make sure you do them both at the same time. You don't really have to be even, to be honest. Then you're just going to straight this one straight across. And this one's going to go down. And then down. Like so. So this is super easy, and if you want it a little bit darker, you guys can even like use it a little bit more. Okay, my eye's burning. Ow. Put some cat ears on. I'm gonna be a black cat, so because of the Salem witches, I guess. If you guys know or not, like if Salem witches, if they like had black cats, please let me know, because I really need to know, because if like they did, I can wear this to school tomorrow. It's Halloween. So have a great Halloween, guys. Like and favorite this video and share it with your friends so they know how to do this too. If you want, like I don't like that it's kind of light, so just, you know, go in with it. Okay, oh my god.
can kind of overlap them so you can kind of see it.
Like that. You can even deep it in your nose a little bit and just like get along with the features. You can do more of the little dots. You don't have to just do 4, but I mean, I like it a little bit more as 4. And then, just move your hair. And there's your cat. I love this so much. If you guys like this too, I'm just like the concept on me. If you didn't even like it on me, just like the makeup, just like that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Like I said, like and favorite this video, share with all of your friends. You guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I have an Instagram, Brewbug Love. Love is L-U-V in all caps. Brewbug Love is all in caps. So thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Oh, and happy Halloween.